the 1998 Toyota Lite Ace Noah G model. This Toyota comes with 71,400 original miles. It has the 3S FE 2.0 liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine with an automatic transmission. It does come with 2 doors, 1 rear sliding door, and a rear hatch as well. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the dash. As y'all can see, the lights are on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. I did want to let you know that this vehicle does come in kilometers, not miles. And the number y'all are looking at right there, 114,909, that is the kilometers. The miles on it again is 71,400. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of this vehicle.